Welcome. It is a documentary on paper waste recycling. It is a story of an ordinary waste and how it made its way back to our homes. First of all, waste is collected by various means. Our municipality, rug collectors, and other systems play a vital role in waste collection. The collected waste is transported to some certain points, just like this point. The collected paper salvage is then deposited into the paper shredder, also known as pulper, so that paper pulp can be produced. This is an orthodox type of pulper, which contains water and chemicals. The pulper chops the recoverable paper into small pieces. Heating the mixture breaks the paper down more quickly into tiny strands of cellulose, called fibers. Eventually, the old paper turned into a mushy mixture called pulp. The pulp stored in underground tanks is sent to the paper machine with the help of a motor. The paper sheet, which does not pass the quality check, is again sent to the pulper so that it can again be recycled. Now the pulp is mixed with more water and then is fed into paper machine. The pulp solution is now fed to the paper machine and then is sprayed in a continuous white jet onto a huge flat wire screen, which is moving very quickly through the paper machine. The continuous sheet is then cut either by hand or by machine. Now, these sheets are placed in open to dry. The another way to dry the sheets, which now resembles paper, is to pass it through a series of heated metal rollers which dry the paper. The dry paper sheets are then stacked up and pressed at high pressure so that wrinkle-free paper can be obtained. The machine used to pressurize the paper sheets is an orthodox type of machine which have flat sides on its end. The defected sheets are then removed from the stack of paper and again sent to paper shredder for pulping, and the remaining sheets are cut into proper sizes. And finally, sheets are packed and then dispatched to their destination, that is, to our homes.